All right, guys, today I am going to show you how to sync your Zoho calendar with your iPhone calendar so that you can keep track of all your work things and your personal things in one calendar. Stay tuned. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you where to find the information you're going to need to enter into your iPhone settings. First, you're going to go to your Zoho calendar. I'm going to go to calendar.zoho.com. And then once there, click on Settings, Synchronize, and the CalDAV is what you need. This server address, you can just click here to copy the URL, and you're going to choose the calendars that you'd like to sync. That way, whatever is on those calendars will show up in your iPhone calendar. On your iPhone, you're going to go to Settings and then Mail, Accounts, and then Add an Account and click Other. This is where you're going to add the server information, the username for your Zoho account, the password, and then of course a description so you'll know that this is your Zoho calendar. Your iPhone calendar will display everything from your Zoho calendar. So if you click here on this item, you'll see it's coming from primary calendar, which is my Zoho calendar on my iPhone. All right, guys, if you haven't already joined the community, join the community. We have live demos and lots of help and guidance there within the community. Join at successfulsolutions.com/connect. I'll see you there.